Hi everybody, I'm Hulkan. Today I have the SOUNDCORE Rave 3S speaker, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install this speaker for your Android phone and how you can easily set up your speaker with this application. At first we have to enter the Play Store and here into search. In the search bar we have to search for the SOUNDCORE. Now, this is the application from Anker, and here install button. Now we are here. We have to tap open. And here we have to tap agree and continue. Here we can log into our account, but we don't have to do that. We can just skip this whole process. Here we can allow for sending our notifications for us. And here now I recommend to be connected with your speaker before the whole process. Now we have to tap plus add device and allow. Now our application is trying to find our speaker. Here we can see our speaker, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.